Sometimes I feel like Alice in the Wonderland, chasing rabbits, chasing cats in Mad Hatters. A better world, but it don't really matter. Well, day breaks and life feels the darkest of room. The air is laced with sweet perfume. What is it about morning light that makes everything feel alright? Alright. Well, it feels like I have just woke up in a world where down is up and up is a long way from here. In the big wheels where they keep on turning, they don't slow down, you just keep on learning. Well, my name's not Alice, but I know how she felt when her world started turning into something else. Into something else. Yeah. Into something else. Well, sometimes I feel like Alice in the Queen's alluring palace. Got the playing cards on my track, like a twisted game of blackjack.